Hello guys, welcome all of you back with our database management system question set discussion series. Today we are going to discuss question set number 39. So let's get started. Here we have our first question. It says, write the relational algebra query to find the detail of the brand Puma product. Use brand ID as 4. Use the table where the product details are stored as the product table. Relational algebra was used before the SQL. So in order to get the output on this question, first we need to use the selection, and it's indicated by this icon. So we need to write it as selection. After that we need to insert the condition. Then we can insert the relation. So relation means table. By using that we can run this query. So the query will be like this. First we need to insert the selection. After that we need to use brand ID as 4 as it show here. So the condition has been given as brand ID equal 4. So as you can see, they have provided us with the brand ID, and then the relation has been changed as product. So product table is going to use for this selection query. Here we have our second query. It says, write the relational algebra query to find the detail of the gender male users among the registered users. To do this, use 1 as the gender ID. Use the gender table as the table to store the gender of registered users. As you can see, they have given us the gender ID and the table gender table. So let's look at this. First we need to use the selection. After that we can use the condition. In here condition is gender ID equal 1. After that we can mention this relation as user. So here we are going to select, and then the condition is gender ID is equal to 1. Gender ID column is available in user table. So table is user. Here we have our third question. It says, write the relational algebra query to find the detail of the registered users, gender, male, user type, employees. To do this, use 1 as the gender ID, use 1 as the user type ID, use the table stored by registered users as user. So they have given us gender male, user type is employee. First we need to use the selection. After that we can insert the condition. Since in this example they have given us two conditions. The first one is gender ID equal 1, and then the second one is user type ID is equal 1. So in here we have inserted gender ID equal 1, and then because we are inserting two condition we have used and keyword, and then we have used user type ID equal 1. After that we have inserted the relation. In this case relation name is user. Here we have our fourth question. It says, write the relational algebra query to find the details about the product whose brand is DSI and Bata. To do this, use 1 as the ID of DSI brand and 2 as the ID of Bata brand. Use the product details stored as product table. So first we need to use the selection, then the condition. In here, since they have given two brand names, first one is DSI and the Bata, and they have also given us the 1 as the ID for DSI brand and the 2 as the ID for the Bata brand. So we are going to check brand ID, and then in here we have given the 1, 2. This comma means O in the relational algebra. So whether this one is true or this one is true, it's going to give us the output. So then we have to mention the relation. In this case, relation is the product table. So guys, that's all for today. In our next video, let's discuss question set number 40. Until then, have a nice day. Thank you.